All right, guys, we are super excited today because we have literally the world's strongest boards. If you guys have something stronger, please send it to us because we're on a big, what would you call it?
Mission.
A big conquest to find the world's strongest boards and see what we can put them through. And we decided we'll put them down. We'll throw things off the top of the Braille drop. So
No, the Braille house.
really? I'm gonna get on the roof?
Yeah.
We're gonna put these on the ground and we're gonna throw things off the roof to land on them. We have 3 set up to see if they're gonna break, see what happens to them, and we're giving one of them away. This is not a sponsored video either. We bought these boards and we're going to give them away to one of you guys. Gabe has just informed me that the drop is 18 feet 8 inches.
And if nothing breaks it, we're taking Aaron's car off the Braille house.
Yes, we are.
Because we can get Aaron's car on top of the Braille house.
Bet.
Okay, so I'm gonna go show the items that we have to throw off while Fetty is setting up the boards. Here's item number 1.
Leave him out of this.
Get out down here. Wow.
Oh.
This is a lot heavier than you thought. Here's the other items that we have. A piece of rope. I don't think that's breaking anything.
So wait, no, the rope is to hoist things up there.
To hoist things up there?
Yeah, because the ladder is so sketch.
Oh, great. I'm really feeling this video already. Then we have a pumpkin. Probably not going to break the board. Pineapple. This is like Fruit Ninja come to life.
Yep.
A coconut.
A Carlos pumpkin.
A Carlos pumpkin. This is probably what he ate for Thanksgiving dinner. A watermelon. A head of lettuce. I don't know who thought of that, but
That was
they're
my idea.
real smart.
Thank you.
A cinder block. Wow. See, the interesting thing about these boards is they're like, so with the trucks on, they're about that far. And I'm pretty sure that you can bend the board and make it hit the ground. The other thing is like, I have to actually hit the board with the cinder block.
Yes, very true.
So actually what we should do is tie this to me so I don't fall off the roof.
That's a good idea too.
Then we have bricks. Wow. Whose bowling ball is this?
This is Nick's.
And we have a bowling ball, a cast iron pan, which looks brand new, which I should actually just bring home. My
It is
wife.
brand new.
I suppose we could throw it off and then bring it home, right?
Yeah, it'll last.
10 pound, which was surprisingly light. Actually, I think it's about 3 pounds. 20 pounds! So we did a test of this hitting a regular skateboard. From 8 feet high, this is this 20 pounds hitting a regular skateboard. Wow. What excitement is this? All right, so I guess we go out there now. All right, Notification Squad, leave it in the comments below right now which one is going to break it first / which one is the best break in the video. We will choose the best comment. Make sure you have #Notification Squad in your comment. You have your notifications turned on. You like, subscribe, and share this video. And we are going to pick the best comment and send one of you guys this board right here. Let's go, Notification Squad.
Wow.
Whoa, that might have been quad. So you measured this and it's 18 feet 8 inches?
Yes.
I'm more scared of us not knowing how to work a ladder. I think that's to the last one. This is scary.
Okay, now we just gotta lift it up.
Where are you going? Oh, that's fine.
Oh, yeah.
This is a bad idea. Look at Troy.
I'm going to the farmer's market.
This is sketch. Look at this. This is deadly. Oh no, I didn't tell you I was scared of heights. How do you get from there up there?
You were supposed to skydive today. What were you
I know,
thinking?
but that's with a trained professional. We were gonna skydive. My wife told me she would divorce me if I went.
Good. Okay, Aaron.
Okay, yeah, we're ready. Yeah, it's a good
Dude,
idea. Great
this
idea,
lighting,
Gabe.
you look gorgeous.
Really?
Yeah, you look great. All right, so this is 18 feet up.
18 feet, 8 inches.
Let me just get a shot over the edge. I'm kind of afraid. That just looks so wrong.
So they're trying to figure out how to get the head of lettuce up. Yeah, throw the head of lettuce.
The head of lettuce you could throw. Oh no! Oh!
That was the single scariest thing in my entire life. I felt like I was gonna catch it in one hand and just fly off.
Someone throw the Carlos pumpkin up here. No, the Carlos one, the tiny one.
No.
Daniel!
Okay, hold on. Test one. Nothing. I'm not ready, but I'll be ready.
Oh! Look at this. You never really see a light from this close.
Stupid.
We probably should have figured out how to get this stuff up before we got up here.
True.
And
Look at what they're doing. They have a string tied to a bag with stuff in the bag.
Wait, let me get a top shot of you hitting the thing, Fetty.
He's gonna miss it.
Oh yeah! Pull!
Pull the water.
Oh no, this is sketchy. Gabe.
Yeah.
It's slipping.
We've secured the package! Aaron, are you ready for the pineapple? Betty, you better make sure you make it up here. Oh! Look at you! That was a good throw, Betty!
Thank you.
No, please don't throw the pan.
Okay, this one's kind of heavy.
Can we get
Troy, are you kidding me? What do you think I am?
Here, come on, let a real man help you out here. Aaron.
30 pounds? Okay.
Pull!
Oh, yeah. Dude, don't slip. That is so sketchy.
It's getting heavier.
I told you.
Are you ready to receive the package?
Yeah.
Where are you?
Just drop it.
Throwing the package.
Drop it.
Wait, but can you scoot back? No! Scoot back a little bit.
Don't hit Brenna.
Wait, did his head come off? Oh no, he's fine.
No, he's good.
So that pumpkin is one that I got at a pumpkin patch that I was supposed to carve, and I never ended up carving it.
Wow. Fantastic story.
Oh, you caught that.
All right, you got it.
The rope is like greasy for some reason.
Oh! Keep pulling, Aaron.
Is it to the end?
It's right here. It's right here. Oh no. Oh no. Aaron, save the pumpkin. Just get it. Just get it. Just get it. Pull! Betty, you're gonna catch it, right? Get it, Aaron! Pull! Yes.
Wow.
Yes. Give him a round.
Scariest thing I've ever done. Okay, let's see if the board can handle this bag.
Dude, hitting it is gonna be so. Oh no. Aaron.
The mic was stuck on there. That's how high up we are.
It's flying with the planes. Cinder block is the last thing.
Yeah.
Oh, it's right there. Here, you want help?
Wait, hold up. Okay, pull.
People will never know how hard that was.
No.
Oh my god.
All right, so the first thing we're going to toss off is a head of lettuce. I sort of think that this is not even going to hit the board. We're gonna put the 3 boards like boom, 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 just because we're not sure if we're going to actually be able to hit one board directly. I mean, we can try one board, I just don't know if I'm gonna be able to hit it. Okay, you ready? This is still a full good head of lettuce.
Yeah, dude, we can make burgers after this.
Let's go.
Is anything wrong with the board?
It's waterlogged.
Okay, ready? Round 2.
Oh yeah.
Give it a toss, Fetty. Give it a toss. No, Fetty. I think the next.
How did they manage to hit you?
This could get real bad.
I like them.
Okay, you ready? 3, 2, 1.
SpongeBob!
Oh! These guys.
Oh!
Yeah!
Hey, take a bite.
It's actually really good.
Is it good?
Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Right onto the trucks.
Uzi, film slow-mo of Fetty hitting the pineapple.
And it's knocked out of the park.
Shall we do BB9? Oh,
Yeah.
what's up, Luke? How you doing?
3, 2, 1. No!
Completely missed!
No!
Oh my gosh.
Hey, getting...
You gotta throw it like.
How is it? Oh no, BB9.
He's fine. 3, 2, 1.
Oh! Uh-oh. Oh no.
It's alive! It's gonna blow! Oh, those are deadly. Like if you get hit in the head, you're knocked out.
You're
Really?
dead.
3, 2, 1.
You missed! You had one job! Dude, I'm so sketched out right now.
Same. This is for Johnny Geiger. Am I over it? 3, 2, 1. Oh!
That was perfect!
Direct hit.
How is it, guys? Oh, that's great. How's the board?
I love that we bought 3.
I don't think we're gonna break one.
No. Pumpkin?
Pumpkin! Hey, look at that forearm strength, bro.
Seriously, man, you've been working out, Aaron?
Yeah. Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Oh, wow.
Wow!
That had to have taken it to the floor.
Is it fine?
Break the canvas.
It's fine, no cracks, no nothing.
It bent almost to the ground though.
Wow.
So far, it looks as though the watermelon and the pumpkin gave it the greatest impact. I think the pumpkin actually put it to the ground. So the angle, probably the angle.
Hey, so Troy, watch out, people.
3, 2, 1.
Oh.
Kind of hit it on the side though, right?
Yeah, but you cracked it.
Congratulations.
A bowling ball from 18 feet 8 inches. Next one, brick. 3, 2, 1.
You did a pop shove it.
That aim.
Kick flip!
Okay, all right, 10-pound weight.
10-pound weight. Am I over it? 3, 2, 1.
Missed! Whoa.
Oh, 20 pounds, I guess.
Jeez.
We missed on the 10.
You better make it count on the 20 then. Dude, it smells like fruit up here.
3, 2, 1. Direct hit.
How is it?
I think it broke. Oh yeah.
Well, like this? 3, 2, 1.
Wow.
There's something about just dropping a cast iron skillet from 18 feet that's kind of satisfying. Okay, so we got a fresh board. We pretty much broke the 1. So we're getting a brand new fresh board for the last drop, which is the cinder block. Let's go, people. I'm scared to miss it.
Hold it strong, Aaron. Hold it strong.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh!
Wow. Is it broken?
Yeah. It's definitely brick strap.
Yeah!
It could not have gone better with the cinder block. Straight into the middle of the board, and the whole cinder block just boosh.
Wow.
Now I'm going to build a house up here because I cannot get down. I'm too scared.
Let's go, Aaron.
What did you do? How did you do this, Gabe?
Destruction!
Oh yeah, it's not so bad.
Teddy, compose yourself.
Can't move my legs. All right, this is seriously a legit skillet, so taking this bad boy home. Wow, look at that. It smells like a
fruit salad.
Potpourri of Thanksgiving dinner. Okay, so this was the board that the cinder block hit. You can see very clearly the initial point of impact right here was the corner. Broke it right there and right here. It basically broke it in 2 places. Boom. Boom. I mean, that's a cinder block from 18 feet 8 inches. That was really fun. I hope you guys had fun watching this video. All right, hashtag notification squad. One of you guys is gonna win one of these boards, so make sure you have the notifications turned on, you are subscribed, you like and you share this video. And remember to have hashtag notification squad in your comment with what item you thought was going to break it or which item you thought was the best. And we will pick the best comment and we will send you an awesome prize package. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. You guys are the absolute best. You guys are incredible. I hope you guys are all learning to skate. Go to BrailleSkateboarding.com to get everything you need to learn how to skate. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment below. We'll see you in the next video.